This 2021 Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite 240 URS is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7 and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunkhouse, front bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite 240 URS is 5,189 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.